Hi, this is Dan with Positivity. I'm going to take you through the Positivity Lending process from application to actually our borrowing cycle over in Kenya. Now, you can start off here by refreshing the PowerPoint presentation. If you've seen the presentation, would like to see it again, you can actually hit play and this will pull up the PowerPoint presentation that we use at our conferences and also in our online Zoom meetings. If you want to go through the normal slideshow, you can download it, save it to your computer. Just hit slideshow and simply you can start clicking and going through the slideshow presentation. Now, once you're finished, you simply hit the escape key wherever you want and you come back over here and you click that blue dot and that will close the PowerPoint presentation. Now, if you still would like to learn some more, have some questions, we do have our frequently asked questions. You can click this notes right here and go to Positivity Lending Help Center, and you will be able to see a lot of frequently asked questions. And if you're ready to make an application, you simply come here to the application page within Positivity. If you want to see, there's the application page right there. You can click on it. Now, there are some things that you should have ready to go. If you're doing an individual, you're going to want to have two forms of ID ready to go on your phone or computer. I would recommend doing a tablet or your phone. Take pictures of those IDs so that you're ready to upload them in the process. If you are doing a business or a family trust, an LLC, S Corp, sole proprietorships, you don't need an ID for a business, but you do need to know what the EIN number is. Alrighty. Next, from there, once you've filled out the application, you will wire or send a cashier's check over to Positivity's Wells Fargo account. Now, from there, from our Wells Fargo account, we will actually wire those funds over twice a month to Open Valley Investment Group, and it goes into their M-Pesa wallet. And Open Valley Investment is our Kenyan operation that does all of our microloans. It was established in January of 2019. And if you'd like to know some more information about the M-Pesa wallet, you can get some more information here. M-Pesa does have a 99% adoption rate in Kenya. M-Pesa is considered the most successful digital wallet in the world due to the country's adoption rate. It is owned by Safaricom. That is the mobile phone company for Kenya. And over $370 billion in transactions occur through the M-Pesa wallet. And it earns Safaricom a nice passive income of $10 billion in transaction fees. Now, in January of 2024, Microsoft invested $1.5 billion to help expand the M-Pesa wallet throughout Africa and Europe, and to actually be the supportive mechanism on Microsoft's Azure backbone. So that's a little information on M-Pesa. Now, just to remember, our member lenders are going to be earning a $1,000 minimum and earns 12% annually. $50,000 earns 36% annually. We do have our friends and family accounts, which allow 5 members to pool together $50,000, and everyone earns 36% annually. Now, when we start to look at the microloans, and in Kenya, just to let you know, we get 260,000 microloan daily requests for microloans. We can only fulfill about 12% of those loans currently, and the average loan size is around $55. So how that process works is once we have it in our M-Pesa at Open Valley Investments, it is now available for the micro borrower. Now, for first question is, do they have a cell phone, a smartphone or not? If they do not, then they will meet one of our field reps in an internet cafe. We have over 200 field reps, and about 20% of our borrowers will use a traditional mobile phone. Now, if they do have a smartphone, they'll download the Africash app from the Google Play Store in Kenya, and we have over 375,000 downloads of the app, and almost 350,000 people use the app regularly each month. All right, so they'll both apply for a loan, and then they'll have to pass the Metropole credit check. Now, if for some reason they don't pass that credit check, we will take a look at if they pay their cell phone bill. And if they do pay their cell phone bill in a timely fashion, they will be eligible to receive a 30-day microloan. If not, they will be denied and they will have to wait 30 days before they can apply with us. Now, once they do get approval, and you can see that if they don't pass that micro poll credit check, they will get a lower loan as low as $5 to $20 to start with, till they build up their credit history with Positiviti. Now, they will pay those loans back within 30 days. Now, if for some reason they do need an extension, we do have up to 15-day extensions possible. But again, we only want to use, those in rare instances. We really encourage everyone to pay their loans back. So if it is a smaller amount loan that we have to give them on the first time, that will be encouraging them to take smaller loans and pay more often and keep their credit score up. Now, once they do and have paid those loans back, they will be eligible for another microloan. Now, this is where you, the member lender, begins to earn your interest. So once the process has happened, so you've got your first 30 days here in getting the money over to us and into Kenya, and then the next 30 days is really where the money begins to earn that interest or accrue that interest based on its lending and being lent out. So you will get your interest reported in the member account section. All right, you will, this is where you'll log in. Your account does become active once the funds are received by Positiviti, and it'll grow at the 1 or 3% level depending on the account size. And just a reminder, any account that's below 50,000, once it does reach 50,000, it will automatically begin earning 3% a month. All right. And remember, this is a 13-month commitment, so this will be a 13-month cycle. So this will happen with the micro borrowers. Now, once a borrower has borrowed multiple times from us, he is now eligible and considered a successful borrower. He will be invited to participate in our Afriza Seiko Credit Union. And this is where in the credit union they will actually receive longer-term loans at much lower interest rates. So, this is the Positiviti lending process from application to transference of money into Africa, the borrowing cycle right here, and then how our members receive their interest, and for the success of our micro borrowers, then how they can become part of a formalized financial institution, the Afriza Seiko Credit Union. All right, well, thank you. And if you have any questions, please consult your microlending consultant or just reach out to us at positivitilending.com.